What's up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to tint the windows on the Griffin, which I have been looking forward to for quite some time now. So let's see what we are going to use to mount the tint. So this is what we have. Some clean microfiber towels, a Blue Max squeegee to squeegee out all the water or application solution. Got some other tools, a hard card, got some stainless steel blades to clean the windows, really nice. Got some paper towels and a soap bar, which I'm going to use to heat shrink the back window, which is quite a good way to do it. I will show you really soon. Some application solution and the tint kit. So we're gonna unbox the tint kit. This kit is from precutautotint.com. It's bought from eBay. It's probably the cheapest pre-cut tint you can get from eBay to Sweden. And this video is not sponsored by them in any way. And if you guys have seen the video where I tint the windows on the sedan, the kit came with the back glass in 2 pieces, which is not what you want, not what I want at least. So this time I ordered the back glass in 1 piece. And as you can see, it's all pre-cut. All this that's outside is cut away as well. On some tint kits they have only plotted out the line and the film is still left here, so we're just gonna remove the access outside here. Then it's okay to start mounting the film. And I have gone with 10% tint on this vehicle. On my sedan I went with 2%, which is probably the darkest you can get, and it's really hard to see out the windows this time of the year in Sweden when it's dark like 24/7, so it's not highly recommended. 5% is like limo tint and that's enough. This is 10%, so it should be a little bit lighter as well. So we're gonna start with cleaning off the back window and then start with heat shrinking the film. Before we put on the tint and try to heat shrink it to fit the window, then we use a soap bar and a paper towel and just wrap it in the paper towel. Then take some application solution and then cover the whole window. And we do this because we want to create a surface where the window tint doesn't stick to. Let's make it more easier to heat shrink it, and so it doesn't crease the film. Now that we got this soapy haze to the window, I'm gonna take another paper towel and just put on some application solution, then create an H pattern all the way to the ends and in the middle. Then we're gonna lay down the film, and we're gonna fit it to the H. So the H is the part where the film sits, and on the side here it just doesn't go into tack, so when we heat shrink it, it will all be available and not crease the film. So, and one thing that's really important to think about when you do this is not to be stressed, and let it just take your time and do it slowly and a little bit at a time. And when you feel confident, then you could use some more heat and go bigger areas. But take one area at a time and just keep chill and do it safe so you don't mess up. I want to show you the result, and after the heat shrinking up close, as you can see, it's not 100% perfect. The edges are not completely flat, and you can see there's some small creases, but it will smoothen out when we squeeze it out and mount it on the inside of the window. If I would have gone with perfection and just start to heat and heat and heat to get this all straightened out when it sits like this, then probably I will burn the edge and then it will not stick on that piece. So it's better to leave it like this and then just throw it on. So this is the hardest part about the tint job, and you should just be calm and take your time on this. I have done this so many times on 9.5 wagons, 9.5 sedan and a 9.3 sedan, and now this is a 9.3 combi or wagon. And this is of course the easiest vehicle of them all, since you can open the trunk and mount it. The sedans are a little bit tricky, but it's manageable. You just gotta keep calm and it will be alright. And if it doesn't work the first time, then try again. On my first 9.5 wagon, which I purchased in 2011 and tried to tint, I think I did the back window like 3 or 4 times before I got it perfectly right. So just keep on trying and doing. That's how you learn. So this all went really smooth. So right when you have mounted the film, it will sit perfectly, but since you have used a lot of water, it will try to creep up on the edges. So let it sit for like one day, and then the other day you're gonna check all the edges and go over with the squeegee and just squeegee them out, so you will get a perfect result. No creases, no nothing. As I said, just go over the edges, and you're going to want to wait like 48 hours minimum until you roll down the window. Otherwise you might end up with a destroyed tint. So this came out really nice. Here in Sweden, since it's pretty cold, I will let the windows just be up for like as long as I can, and the first long run I'm just gonna crank up the temperature so the film just cures perfectly, but I think the result came out super nice. It gives the car a more sporty look, and I love the Arctic white together with the solid black. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to me. And comment if you wonder anything or have any questions regarding the tint or regarding anything else. I'm here to help as good as I can. So the next video will be the tune on the black 9.3. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you soon. Bye!